In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the language on Expedia. Whether you're planning a vacation or just browsing for future trips, ensuring the website is displayed in a language you're comfortable with is beneficial and can enhance your overall user experience. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Expedia website. If you're in the Philippines, you might find it useful to visit the localized version by entering expedia.com.ph into your address bar. This localized address ensures that you're on the right version of the site, tailored to the region you're accessing it from. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, take a moment to locate the Sign In option. It's usually found on the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on Sign In to log into your account. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. Expedia's sign-in process also allows guest users to proceed with just the booking details. However, logging in provides a more personalized experience and could make it easier to retrieve past booking details or new personalized deals. After signing in, you'll usually be directed back to the Expedia homepage. Now that you're signed in, look at the top of the page for the account icon. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you might see options for preferred settings, which sometimes include language and region preferences. If you don't see the option immediately, head over to the Trips or Account section. Within these sections, Expedia often toggles the region or language settings. Click on your region, which you'll find as a clickable link or button somewhere in these account settings. This step is crucial because selecting your region may show different language options available for that particular area. After selecting your region, check for any language settings associated with it. They are typically adjacent to or within the same line of options. The language setting will allow you to choose your preferred language based on the region or country selected. Select the language you're comfortable with. And remember that changing the region might automatically change the language suited for that region, so adjust accordingly. If you've followed these instructions, you should now have the site functioning in your language of choice. This switch can be extremely useful for navigating deals, bookings, and any customer support queries you might have along the way. Remember that you can always switch back to a different language if needed by repeating these steps. And there we have it. Setting the language on Expedia is a straightforward process that can drastically improve your online experience, helping you avoid misunderstandings and make more informed booking decisions. Happy traveling!